Wodofo mema kwaba edeba Adom TV. Nkuranhyensem dwumadie ya wosomfo wakoa ni tekotego meti bedwamu amede sa dwumadie brewo. Ma me nika emisasa ho tesɛn. Na me mfa enchia emfiri asoro ahenwa mu emfa ma wo. Na me nkyerɛ sɛ de abɛn na bia na ebekoyie ama wo. Because so America how to live the best version of your life. Wa wonu sɛ okoto kai, minim sɛ wato bi da, ba woni bobi wato bi da. Na kai ne ba esufie, yise wonya petrol, na wanya battery. Na wapompo tai, na afetwe na ka na agye so. Kosi sɛ wanya battery na petrol ni ka mu no, ka na enspark. Onyame ayo sɛ car. Bibia sɛ woye bia sɛ otumi kwan na ewo mu, na ka battery na petrol ya betu kwan. Onyame abɔ sɛ obeyi. Waba wo sɛ woyɛ odini. Nanso so odo bedue wiase ano. Enioma baako na me ni bo ho apare wo. Ye no nti uti sɛ dia wotie. Make a obi sɛ nti ni tako ene dia wo he. What is missing in my life? What is the most important aspect that I need to work on in my life? Indeed, just asking this question means you are ready to move on. Ebi na waware na atete apansam. Ebi adwuma wo ye na katua nso wo. Ebi abusua wo mu no ye mpawasam. Ebi na muntu a wotuo na enkoyie. Ebi apomudne enkoyie. Onyame ammo amayade. Onyame ammo ama wobre. Wa ammo ama wo hia. Wa ammo ama hwase. Wa ammo ama yare awaregyaye. Obo wo mankunimidie ye die ne animonyam. Nanso aka wo battery. Ena o petrol abegu mu a wonya bi ngu. Ena me di kan ne se okoto ka fe. Na amfa battery nsi so. Amfa petrol ngu mu a ka ne se sifie ani. Yimi bire no Nyankopon ayo yen abawiase. We do not love to work on ourselves. We don't want to work on ourselves. Se obayadwuma fa ho na watumpon. Bebre na pe shortcut. Kwantia na so kwantia we emusuo. Bebre no efo se Nyankopon abɔ me. Me ye Ghana ni. Mo sika kokɔ ma sa aseso. Enti me o mama. O mama mate. O mama nyina so ni nyansa. Suahunu ene akwanya ene suban. O mama enye anokasa ene timopo a o timu se me de me odehie mate. Bebre have a sense of entitlement, and because of that they don't seem to work towards achieving their goals. But we need to get serious about making improvements in all the areas of our lives. We need to get serious as Ghanaians, as individuals, in improving the various areas of our lives. In life, I think we have about 7 areas. Pameduo, we need to maintain good habits. So obetum pon na onyame esuba ode hye omu no adimu a wo hia suban bi ye suban bi akeke ba suban a eso abapa suban a ehwam suban a so ani. You need to have self-control. Esa unya ahohyeso. You need to have empathy, ehumobro. You need to build, sustain, rewarding relationships. Esa odni nkrofo kabomu e onyansa kwan so. You need to update your knowledge and skills. Esa utum pon nyansam ene sa na adwuma mu. You need to take worthy actions. Esa wa namuntuo eso ani. And you need to be self-inspired. Ababo enye taught you. Emu odiye eba na wade abisua nyamesom apomudin adwuma edene sinto beba ahwase beba enye de epe nyina na ebenya eya afro no sane na de dimu ne se obenya nkuranhye bia ma ho se de atie bia no mehye me nkuran na magina piti. I will face life challenges. I overcome my interests and demands. I need to inspire myself. So these are the things you need initially to make your life worthy. Good habits, self-control, empathy, knowledge upgrade, and competency upgrade. Maintaining strong and enduring relationships, and kabum, and also taking worthy actions. You can worthy. Your actions and amuntio, but amuntio boha and swani and yefe. It's unworthy. So whenever you want to act, ask yourself whether the actions are worthy. A sumbo, a shani. Nefi, maintain inspiration. That way, you can contribute to having control over your life. Let me start by asking the question: do you want to become the best person in the world? I want to be you. Just say, "Na ba mo abu akusi say, say bisa akusi me die best, me die asumbo ache obi owiase." The way you answer the question shows that you have faith or fear, and that will determine your movement from today. Do you believe you can be the best person in this world? Do you believe your marriage can become the best marriage? So do you believe you can become the best worker? Do you believe you can attain the best health? The truth is that most of us have been made to lose confidence in ourselves. Baby ena wana brabo atoba ha. Gidie everyone say because nani koto obi so ena nipa no ene hwamo na no bi. Wasemaja bi. Mena bi. Mu ofa bi. Political bi. Obi oba share me bobi ama me nsa sifom. Entime de okase me yi a ha e ma so. Waba mu abu. Bible ne say sebita fra champa de oso na paye ne awia we. Okwase a eno de nani tu anipa so. We nyame osombo. Mo na wa woso na hye ohun kran. Na gya ese wo de ho to obi so no. No nipa na do ho to no so no na mo obre. Enti hye ohun kran na bo abaso na penyansa na sorry. Maybe you've been told a lie. Say hard work pays. Adwumaden ena etuaka. Adwumaden. Media me say enya adwumaden ena etuaka. Nyansa ena market ya papa. Obu ababu se fifiri asuti ase aye adwuma fira na pako se nwumre ope twotwo bra bi no beti e condition mu no afa pen no atwero 1 2 and no ogisa kase ya se ewiase obi adidi nyansa ho adwene nko ena nyansa nko ni awo ye na adwene da ho na nyansa edimu nyansa emu dore a edi bibi kan abrabo ho edi bi kan obi abrabo ho. Wisdom must be such that it must add value to your life and add value to others. That way, you have profit in life. We have been made to believe that when we learn from books of others and apply them through hard work, it pays off. Some of my psychology kakra. Some of my say they say kakra. But I never be by my tear. Nya na mesa. Me shame cry. Eno ene ne nyame de dua mi mu amehunu ena me de adwuma bebre na wona politician achi yenko eyo yenko ehe wonya politician jai wona chi die na penyansa onyame de dua omu ene akade ode ma wo na fa ye adwuma odofo nyansa wo hia enye yo na odi akire ese wo gina na bisa se awade ewe ede ne ade a metime ne soronko na aso ani ma brabo we enye ma brabo am ye Ghana ni ba me nkwa ma brabo we ede na metimi aye ne soronko na ma brabo adimu aso ani adwuma me ye we enye adwumayefo nyina we me adwuma me ye ede na me ya me ne soronko na adwuma we ada soronko me kasa mbekan ene ya amade na die de na metimi ayo afa ho na me kasa na me ne ye ada soronko e wo nipa nyina mu. That way you are building a new life. That way you are developing yourself. That way you are taking control over your life. Wabrabo anyone kasabo. Wabrabo ekurao. Wadisua ekurao. Wajuma no kurao. Men show bi so mfa bubura. E de na betimi ayo. De na betimi aka. Aha ena meja wo. Me kasa bebira na ase me kasa awa wo hono. Ma menya aha menua. Na kopa dwuma bi na die. Edi ya mjeso so nim dada Apostle Dr. Anita Kotego na so from Anita Kotego kwa mepe onyame nhira o na me na Adom TV for obo a me ma dwumadi e ba won chen efi camera floor manager sound MC a me producers nyina me da mo ase wo a wonya amere hwe me so de me na ase kese no uno nyame entina